Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have 6 to the x is equal to 18, and we need to figure out the value of the x. So as we can see, the unknown that we have in here is in the exponent, and common way in this kind of question is that we're going to go with the logarithm on each side of the equation, and from the laws of the logarithm we know when we have the log of a to the power of b, this b always like to go in the back, so we will have b times log of a. So we're going to do the same in here. We're going to do the log on each side. We'll get log of 6 to the power of x is equal to log of 18, and we can get this one in the back of the log, so x times log of 6 is equal to log of 18, which we know is 6 times 3. So from the laws of the log, we know when we have log of a times b, this will be equal to log of a plus log of b, and the reason that we are doing in here is that we have the log of 6 on the left side, so we are trying to get the log of 6 on the right side of the equation in order to get the equation simpler. So we have x times log of 6 is equal to log of 6 plus log of 3. Now if we divide this equation by log of 6, on the left side of the equation we have x times log of 6 over log of 6 is equal to log of 6 divided by log of 6 plus log of 3 over log of 6. So we can cancel out the log of 6 on each side of the equation. We'll have x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 over log of 6. So it seems that we can simplify this a little bit more, since we have the log of 6 in here, which can be written as, so 1 plus log of 3 over log of 6 will be 3 times 2. So we're going to use the same law that we used earlier, 1 plus log of 3 over log of 3 plus log of 2. And if we calculate the value of the log of 3 and log of 2 with the calculator, for log of 3 we'll get 0.477, and for log of 2 we'll have 0.301. And with these two values, it's easy enough to find the x. Basically we have 1 plus log of 3 0.477 over 0.477 plus 0.301, and here for our x we'll get 1 plus 0.477 over 0.778, and if we calculate this ratio, we know this will be equal to 477 divided by 778, because we can multiply the numerator and denominator by 1000. So if we calculate that ratio, we'll get 1.613, and 1 plus 0.613 will be 1.613. So yeah, I hope you guys find this one helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or any other solution to solve this, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.